A driver can't load on this device. You are receiving this message because the memory integrity setting in Windows Security is preventing a driver from loading on your device. In this guide, I will be showing you how to resolve the error mentioned above, so just follow through the given guidelines. Method 1. Check for Update Windows. See if an updated and compatible driver is available through Windows Update or from the driver manufacturer. Method 2. Turn off the memory integrity setting. Open Windows Security. Go to Device Security and then under Core Isolation, selecting Core Isolation Details. Now, turn off the memory integrity, then restart your PC.